Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to run a Steam game as an administrator so that your Steam games will run as the administration mode. Now the first step that you want to take is actually opening up the Steam application, as you can see right here, and sign into your existing Steam profile. Now from there we head down to the library, and inside the library you see all the current games that are installed and that you own. Now let's say I want to run Sons of the Forest as an administrator. Now, if you right click it and you go to manage or properties, there's not an option to run as administrator, but what we actually want to do is right click the game, go to manage, go to browse local files, and inside the local files you see the Sons of the Forest.exe. This is the application. Now this is what we're looking for. Here we right click it, and we don't run it as here as administrator, but what we actually want to do is hop onto the properties of the file, and from there we go to the compatibility tab, and inside the compatibility tab we have a settings for the so-called exe file. Now here we press the run this program as an administrator, we press apply, we press OK, and that should be it. Now the game Sons of the Forest will always be run as administrator, and if you want to turn this on, you simply go back to the compatibility mode as I've shown you, and that should be it. If you still got any other questions, or if this tutorial has helped you, please leave it in the comments down below. Leave a like and subscribe, this helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.